and namaste. Welcome to your favorite show, Start the Bar. I'm Ragini, and we're really fortunate to have Deepak Maharaj with us tonight. But firstly, we want to wish all of you a very, very happy new year. And I hope that this new year will bring more love and energy and rhythm in your life. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Start That Bar, a very special episode. Why I'm saying this very special is we're going to talk about a gharana, a style, and the man who is taking this forward, who is really introducing a gharana with all of us in such a fantastic way that Indian classical dance form is now all around globally, is so familiar with all of us. We want to welcome Deepak Maharaj ji in tonight's Star Darbar. Namaskar Deepak ji and welcome to Star Darbar.
नमस्कार नमस्कार जी।
आप कैसे हैं पहले ये बताइए। ये जो दीपावली अभी अभी गया है और अभी अभी नहीं कुछ हफ्ते पहले गया है एंड वी आर ऑलमोस्ट एट द डोर ऑफ द न्यू ईयर, नया साल। तो हाउ इज योर फीलिंग और आपको क्या लग रहा है और सभी के लिए आप क्या बोलने वाले हैं?
सबसे पहले तो मैं दीपावली जो भी फेस्टिवल हुआ उसके लिए मेरी तरफ से आई गिव माय बेस्ट विशेस टू ऑल एंड बहुत और ईश्वर करे कि आई वांट कि सब लोग बहुत अच्छे रहें, हेल्दी रहें, कि ताकि ऐसे दीपावली आगे हम लोग मनाते रहें। हम सब लोगों के especially because I am artist, so from my heart I always it's not my blessing, but it's the best wishes from my heart. I always want to give to all viewers who are watching us a happy Deepavali, happy Navratra, and after some time there will be New Year. So happy New Year in advance.
Exactly. We're all really excited और ऐसे मौके पर you just came, you know, it is really amazing क्योंकि आप हैं तो it's like we're talking about a legendary dance form and we're talking about something that everyone really feels that हाँ ठीक है, Kathak is like Maharaj Ji and then Deepak Maharaj Ji. So we would love to know about the घराना और मैं ये नहीं पूछना चाहती हूँ कि आपने शुरू कैसे किया क्योंकि डीएनए में ऑलरेडी इज देयर, सो आई कैन नॉट आस्क यू कि आपने शुरू कैसे किया, बट इफ यू कैन गिव अस अ लिटिल बिट आइडिया कि इस घराने के बारे में और साथ ही साथ योर एक्सपीरियंस विद महाराज जी अ लिटिल बिट सीखते हुए, क्योंकि हम हमेशा सोचते हैं दैट ओके if the father and son is there, was there lot of scolding and डांटना और रूठ जाना फिर वापस आ जाना प्रैक्टिस के लिए, ऐसा होता था क्या?
Nice question, very nice question, and but it's very difficult to say in very short word. It's a blessing. It's a blessing from my ancestor, and they have done so much great work. Their life, they improvise so much, and it's like a virasat from since 7 generation. I come in 8 generation, and I still I am learning after doing so many performances in my life, so many solo performances in my life. Under Maharaji's choreography, I have done so much leading roles and so much character roles. I play so many things. My guru's blessing, I received so many awards in my life, but still I feel there is no end for learning. There is no end. Still I am learning and learning. because and about my ancestor, Maharaji told me so much story about ki what they have done, great work in their life. And really, I'm telling you one thing. I was totally involved in sports. I used to play like cricket. Cricket is one of my favorite game.
Oh my
I
God.
played, yeah, really. I played a lot. I played a lot. But at the same time also, I was participating in Maharaji's so many choreographies, and I was doing dance also. Once that I'm playing also. So, but Maharaji said, always Maharaji say only one word कि बेटा जो भी बनना है अच्छा बनना है जो भी बनो like I was so crazy about to play cricket so I said I want to become cricketer so Maharaj ji said only one word कि बेटा if you want to become a cricketer so I don't want you should wait in like in a waiting room you are just waiting कि when your chance will come you should come opener so like this kind of inspiration then I realized no I think that is not my field actually. Even so Maharaj ji said कि बेटा आप जो भी करना चाहो अपनी जिंदगी में उसमें नंबर वन बन के दिखाना है जिंदगी में just become number one because Maharaj ji has so much dedication about that you know very well about Kathak Nirtya especially Lucknow Gharana we belong to Lucknow Gharana so that thing inspired me so much in my life so my mood changed I leave all sports and like playing this and that game. I just left everything. Now my life is only ghunguru, lay, rhythm, tal, sur. This is my life. I enjoy so much. And really, whenever I played cricket, nobody has given me any good compliments that, oh, you are playing so wonderfully. But when I came on the stage, when I when I have done heart and eyes expression, so everybody given me so much good compliments. Oh wow, your eyes, your expression look like your like Maharajji. So your soul inside and you are so you should take this chapter this thing seriously in your life.
But as you said about acting, right? Acting or expression, right? We
Yes.
not nowadays. Maybe there is, but before we used to like we used to heard it several times that if you want to become a good actor, you have to know how to dance because the eye expressions. So just let our viewers know a little bit that what you think about it.
Actually, I'm not an actor. No, number one. I'm a classical dancer. So in especially in Lucknow Gharana, whatever we do, any bandish like tukda, paran, pramidu, anything, there must be expression.
Hmm.
Whether it's very fast, whether it's very hard. Because Maharaji always say, better if you're doing toda, tukda, paran, whatever, your your smiling face and your eyes should always following your hand movements, everything, your ghungru, footwork in very good manner.
Hmm.
Always. Just remember this part.
Hmm.
So because I'm not a theater artist, I'm not an
Hmm.
actor,
Hmm.
but for actor also, the timing should be very accurate. It should be very correct. Eyes expression because your eyes say everything. Your eyes say everything.
Right.
Like in Kathak, we do some padhan, and after that, through our eyes and expression, we react everything. There is so many places wherever we give some lecture demonstration,
Hmm.
they don't know, they don't understand English or any language, but through our expression and rhythm and everything, it helped so much. So everybody say, no need to say any language, we understand. what you are trying to do on this stage. So I think you understand what I'm trying to express my
Yes,
feeling.
absolutely, absolutely. But I want you, I mean, like, friends, I had this opportunity 3 years back, I think. Yes, almost 3 years back. I met him face to face, and such a humble person. I cannot even express with my words. You can even see him on screen. And you know, the knowledge he has, that's enormous, but the way he presents himself, it's kind of like, I don't know anything at all, you know. So
Mhm.
that part really attracted so many people here in New York, New Jersey, and of course in the whole world, because you travel a lot. I want to know actually a little bit, if you can show our viewers the way you showed me that time, कि रागिनी इस तरह से एक्सप्रेशंस को दिया जाता है, like छोटा सा एक like anything, if you can do for my viewers, that will be really fantastic.
Yeah, that's why I'm here. That's why I'm here. Just only to show. Look, if you're talking about different character in Kathak Nritya, what we show like Radha, or any character, or like Rama, Krishna. So there is their personalities are little different, but but expression is everywhere. We don't have anything in our hand. Hand is absolutely empty, but through our, no, I don't wear any ghungat, you know na, in Indian style, ghungat. But if we just show like any Radhika is looking to Krishna, so how she is looking, like the ghungat is coming from there, she's shining and looking to Krishna, how, to their eyes, and the Krishna is looking to Radha. This is Krishna and Radha. Your eyes is telling every story,
Mhm.
like love between Sakhi with Radha, and
Mhm.
any character role. Like if I give example like Rama, so Rama is Maryada Purushottam. Rama is like Ram with Dhanush and giving blessing. So everywhere is expression. Even we do some tukda paran also, so we don't, without any expression we don't do. Like Kritak Thundu Nache Teta, Kritak Thundu Nache Teta, we are enjoying that movement, we are enjoying this language. This is Kathak language. Kritak Thundu Nache Teta, like it's a joy. Kritak Thundu Nache Teta, Dhadinda Kredhazinda Kachi Dhadinda Ka Tete Dhadinda Krede Dhadinda Kachi Teta Tara. Now you have seen when I'm
Mhm.
just, मैं जब ये पढ़ंत कर रहा हूँ, जब मैं इसको पढ़ रहा हूँ, तो मैं उसके पीछे कितना उसको एन्जॉय कर रहा हूँ। आई एम एन्जॉयिंग एवरी मोमेंट। नाउ दिस इज कैरेक्टर रोल, लाइक राधा देखें कृष्ण को, या राधा शर्मा रही है तो कृष्ण को कैसे, कृष्ण ने मग रोका, हाथ पकड़ी, कलाई छुड़ाई और कहा, हे कान्हा छेड़ो ना मुझे।
Mhm.
सो दिस इज टिपिकल लखनऊ घराना स्टाइल,
Mhm.
what our grandfather, what he did, and improvise so many like color in this. तो बेसिकली कथक जो है वो इसी पे ज्यादा है, ये
Mhm.
एक्सप्रेशन, मूड, बॉडी पोस्चर एंड लाइनिंग्स एंड एवरीथिंग।
Mhm.
और बिना एक्सप्रेशन के, इफ यू डोंट हैव एक्सप्रेशन ऑन योर फेस, हो तो जाएगा डांस, यू कैन एबल टू डू एनीथिंग, बट
Mhm.
फीलिंगलेस। लाइक if I do dhadete 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 dhagidegi na tun tun, there is no feeling. But
Mhm.
if I do tan dhatite dhatite dhadhatite dhadhatite, this is one of the paran.
Mm.
It's like a portrait, like we are doing some sketching beautifully, but we don't know how to do color in that
Mm.
portrait.
Mm.
So expression is like a color, and it's helping to उसको भर देना, रंग को भर देना उस कैनवस में. It's like a canvas, उस रंग को भर देना. So this is my feeling, what I feel about Kathak Nृत्य.
Oh, that is beautiful. So, such nice words and the way you have presented it, my goodness. We want to know, yes, of course, you are from a legendary gharana that you are representing. But have you thought about it that do you like any other dancers and you feel like, wow, that is really beautiful? And like, have you ever thought that to try something different as well?
Different means under actually Maharaj's choreography, Maharaj did so many experimental like choreographies. Some he took some very like very new chapter like file katha. File katha means like if you go to any office, there is so lots of files and but feeling of Maharaji. I am a piece of iron. Maharaji composed one very beautiful item. I am a piece of iron, a small iron, लोहा, एक छोटा सा लोहा हूं मैं. Everybody comes and see me and just ignore me. तो ये इसको आप थोड़ा ट्रांसलेट कीजिएगा इसको इंग्लिश में कि महाराज जी ने इतनी सुंदर बात कही. ये सारे नए एक्सपेरिमेंट्स हैं. मतलब ये महाराज जी की सोच कितनी खूबसूरत है कि मैं एक लोहे का टुकड़ा हूं, दूर पास से लोग आते मुझे देखते चले जाते. एक दिन मैं किसी जालिम मतलब इज वन ऑफ वेरी like very bad man came and he took that iron piece and makes me sword और उसके बाद मैंने then I killed so many people. एक छोटा सा लोहे का टुकड़ा उधर एक और पास था. So another man, very good man, he came there and he took me from there and it make a like a गोल आकार, एक राउंड फिगर और उसमें उन्होंने now is we can hear that sound is like a temple. Now is put me in temple, इस पे एक आवाज आ रही है टन टन टन. So this man who are killing so many people, after in last he say, no, I'm very tired. So in last scene, that is the very climax, he said, I want to become like you. एक लोहे का टुकड़ा. आखिरी में वो ये बोलता है, काश मैं तेरी तरह बन जाऊं. जो मंदिर के प्रांगण में घंटी बज रही है, काश मैं तुम्हारे जैसे बन जाऊं. So now you can
Really, it's a beautiful thing. Like when like this is just like same thing that a small child, and it all depends that in which environment he is growing up. Exactly.
Yes.
It is just like that small iron piece that you are talking about. And this is such a beautiful, heart-touching story that you have shared with us. Friends, he just said such a beautiful thing that it all depends that what is your, I can say that your outside world around you, that is going to make the real you one day. Because if you take a piece of iron, it is just a regular thing, right? I mean, somewhere lying around, but you can really make a murti out of it. You can really make a bell out of it. And of course, you can make the sword out of it. It all depends how you are going to make it and how it is going to look either beautiful or ugly. I'm so touched by these words. I mean, seriously, Deepakji. And in this note, I want to ask you that your favorite moments, agar main puchu, so what are those? Because I know that you don't have one thing. But before that, friends, I want to show you some, maybe a very little glimpse of Deepak Ji's stage performance, I would love to show you the way he presents himself. It's really amazing. Please watch. हाँ दीपक जी, तो हम जो पूछ रहे थे आपसे that what is your favorite moment? I mean, what are your favorite moments or memorable moments if we ask you?
It's very difficult to say memorable moments for my life because I always love my work. I always love wherever I perform. And if I receive a very positive vibration from the audience, like viewers are watching me, if they appreciate me, always it's like a new chapter for me. Always. Even I have performed so many solo performances in my life, and that I already told ki I have done so much work along with my father also, independently also.
Mhm.
But whenever I come on the stage, always I feel this is my beginning. This is my beginning. So every memorable moment, wherever I give my performance, and if I receive, like, everybody's blessing me, everybody's giving me best compliments and loving me so much, loving my art so much, always. So it's very difficult to say. Not only single. I have a lot, very so much.
हम्म। एक
Yeah.
एक खास मोमेंट, like really precious that that you will never forget in your life, if I ask that.
हाँ, ऐसा कई बार हुआ, जैसे all great legends are sitting on stage, and I was the youngest one, and Maharaji wrote one of the very beautiful poetry has written by Swargya Pandit Kishan Maharaji. He composed everything, and at the same moment, the same platform, uh, uh, late Pandit Rajan Mishra ji and Sajan Mishra ji were there, great vocalists, and I was scaring how I will sing this song in front of such a great legend. Maharaj is dancing there and everybody's sitting here. But when I started like singing and everything, so everybody appreciate me so much, and they were encouraging me so much. Oh, come on, you can do it, you can do it. So that was a very memorable moment in my life. I still remember, because whenever you accept this kind of challenge in your life, and if you do very nicely that work, so that I register in my memory card. It's already registered. So you asked me any memorable moment. So this is one of the, ये एक बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था मेरी लाइफ का, कि इतने बड़े लेजेंड्स के बीच में बैठ के गाना गाना, और बस यही है। और इसके अलावा बहुत कुछ होता रहता है लाइफ में, कि जो एक बड़ा यादगार रहता है जिंदगी में। महाराज जी के साथ स्टेज शेयर करना, महाराज जी के साथ इन द सेम प्लेटफॉर्म, तो ये एक बहुत बड़ा, दैट वाज एन ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर मी टू शेयर दैट प्लेटफॉर्म विद द मास्ट्रो। तो ये सब एक मेमोरी में मेरे ऑलरेडी, आई ऑलरेडी फेल inside me. So me and Maharaji were performing in Dubai. तो इतना अच्छा ये सब मोमेंट रहा क्योंकि we are maximum time we always think only dance, music, always sharing stage with all these great personalities. Sometime I'm just playing some instruments like Tal Vadya also with all great people. तो हम लोगों की जो मेमोरी होती ना वो इसी के ही पास में ही रहती है, इससे बहुत ज्यादा दूर नहीं कहीं जाता हूँ।
Abhi,
जी
I mean, the way you sing and you sang, I know that everyone know that you are a dancer. So I know that dance and singing, that really goes together. So if you can sing few lines for my viewers, that will be really great.
yeah, sure. My great grandfather Bindadin Maharaj Ji, Swargya Bindadin Maharaj Ji has written so many poetry about Krishna, like 5,000 poetry. So some of the poetry I have learned from Maharaj Ji. So I will sing one Thumri. It's a Thumri, like Naika and Thumri, and it's complaining about Krishna. So always a Krishna character, Radhika always say, कि, no, I will say just some word like Tori मैं ना मानूंगी, like it Tori मैं, I will not listen to you, झूठी बतियां, you are lying with me. ये इसका जैसे इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन है. I'm just but I can sing right now. If you say so, I will sing. Okay.
Please do.
Okay. तोरी मैना तोरी मैना ए तोरी मैना मानूंगी झूठी तोरी मैं ना मानूंगी झूठी बतियां करते ए तोरी मैं ना मानूंगी झूठी बतियां करते आए सौतने के घर से ये जानी परत आए सौतने के घर से ये जानी परते तोरी मैं ना मानूंगी झूठी बतियां करते. So this is the wording.
My goodness, so beautiful, Deepakji. I mean, this is amazing. I think a lot of you guys just learned this, that he sings so beautifully. So may I say that singing is your hobby, or is there anything else that you love to do?
No, I love to do everything around this circle. only three things where what I should say, singing also comes from my gharana. Is everybody sings. My great grandfather, my grandfather, everybody has sang so many times. Maharaj sings so beautifully. This kind of song also I tried to copy Maharaji, how Maharaji sings, but the mood should be there. Like if you're singing like Thumri, so there is very difficult to say this word, like एक बहुत लचीलापन, एक खूबसूरती, like like धाए गहो श्याम धाए गहो जाने दे मोहे है काम धाम तुम मानत नाही छोड़ो ना क्यों कर गह माला श्याम धाए रहो. So I know the word, what is the mood behind of that. So I observed Maharaj Ji so many time in my life. Ki Maharaj Ji singing so beautifully. So this is my try. Sometimes I
Mhm.
play tabla also. Sometimes I play naal also, dholak also.
Wow. Mhm, mhm,
Because
mhm,
that I already told you that I already left so sports and everything so long time before. And even in my young time when I was 22, 21, 22 years, so we had some gathering like gathering. So I used to you will not believe this. I used to do some break dance also,
mhm,
like some like break or some very freestyle. But slowly, really, my mind and everything is now become changed.
mhm,
Now I'm totally my heart and everything is dedicated to only for Kathak,
mhm,
Lucknow Gharana style. And
mhm,
still I'm following my father's footsteps. Still I'm learning from Maharaj. I'm
mhm,
just trying to read how my guru is telling every story, how he's giving every single word. I'm just trying to
mhm,
copy
mhm, mhm.
and just to take inside me. It's like a sant, it's like bhakti. It's like bhakti.
True, true.
So I will not say today you are taking my interview. I'm a bhakt. I am a saint of Lucknow Gharana. I'm
Mhm,
just doing worship of my all ancestor, my father, and all God and goddess. So many. Yeah.
Deepakji, the question for you will be that for the new generation, of course, that right now people are trying so many dance forms, right? And do you think that they should be attracted towards our root, our Indian classical dance more?
Yeah, I think they must learn. They must all youngsters, whoever are taking interest in this art and field. I never force anyone. I never force. But I always say, this is your virasa, this is your culture.
Mm-hmm.
I always say, especially in India, I always say, please follow your, because this is tradition. How we represent ourselves like we are Indian, we belong to uh, this gharana from this family. So I always say to all my youngsters, please join and just because there is only not like a very rough style you are just dancing any something. There is what we say like it's a gyan, it's a lesson behind of any art, whether it's Kathak, whether it's Bharatanatyam, Odissi, Mohiniyattam, any Indian classical art form of any music or dance. You should take in this interest. So that will first of all is make quiet from your heart. Your mind will be set and मतलब बहुत अच्छी ज्ञान की बातें हैं जो हमेशा ध्यान में रखनी चाहिए। ये आपकी ही कल्चर है, आपकी विरासत है। लाइक महाराज जी कितना महाराज जी ने साधना किया, कितनी तपस्या की। तो आफ्टर सो लॉन्ग टाइम, आफ्टर सो हार्ड वर्क, ही स्ट्रगल अ लॉट इन हिज होल लाइफ। नाउ वी आर ट्राइंग टू फॉलो हिम। तो इसका मतलब कि अगर आप इसमें आएँगे, so of course after some time you will get good opportunity in your life. क्या पता आप में से कोई बहुत अच्छा बन जाए।
Mm-hmm.
तो मैं हमेशा यही कहता हूँ, शास्त्र नृत्य हो चाहे शास्त्र संगीत हो,
Thank you.
ज़रूर आप उसमें इंटरेस्ट लीजिए, क्योंकि ये आप ही का है।
Mm-hmm.
क्योंकि because I belong to Lucknow Gharana from since 7 generation, so it's not only my duty that to keep this uh, tradition as much as I can just do, but everybody should take interest in this. और आप थोड़ा सा patience, keep patience in your heart. Just do hard work with good mood and full faith. You will get very nice result. positively.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल एंड इसी के साथ साथ ही we will
जी
watch one more video. Yes, of course Deepak ji's dancing, I know that you loved it and you love him, and one more time we would love to see a little glimpse of what and how he presents Kathak on stage. So friends, we have to go for tonight. And you know, we are talking about a gharana. So a gharana is not, I think that if you want to talk about it, this whole episode is going to be like, I cannot even finish it, I don't think, within a month or maybe a year, because there are so many things that there to talk about. But you know what, we want to welcome someone very special, yes, who is also a part of this gharana and taking this dance form very seriously in her life. We are going to meet someone very special next week with Deepak Maharajji right here in your favorite show, Star Darbar. Please keep watching and stay with us, and we promise that you will be amazed to see her as well. तो आज के लिए इतना ही, नमस्कार, और we will come back again with Deepak ji. And should I say it? No, let's keep it a surprise, and please watch us next week as well. A big surprise is waiting for you. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful New Year celebration, and please take care of yourself. Even though you're going out, please take all I can say that the protection to keep yourself safe from everything, not only COVID, from everything. And I want that everybody's life should be blessed and joyful and energetic, and of course with rhythms and dance this year. And so Deepak ji, आज इतना ही हम यहीं पर खत्म करते हैं. If you want to say a few words to my viewers, that will be really wonderful.
nice talking with you, and really I give my best wishes to all my viewers, and I always say, no, I pray to God that this pandemic time and everything should now it's must be go on. Is should be finished. Should be, so we can meet, because I always love to meet people. I always love to give my live performances, and I always really. So we were missing from since last 2 years, 2.5 years, these things. So I always give my best wishes and Happy New Year to you all, and in advance, thank you so much. It's a pleasure for me. And I don't have any word to say anything more. And whatever I'm here, I have already shown you. This is my introduction. This is me. My art, my singing, my playing an instrument. This is my real introduction.
Of
So
course, yes.
everybody,
Yes, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. और thank you so much. आप आए यहाँ पर and you gave us time. Thank you so much. तो दोस्तों, मिलते हैं अगले हफ्ते with your favorite show, Star Darbar. I am Ragini, and good night.